friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Gary the Snake from Zootopia 2, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the nose. So right in the center, we're going to curve this line up, over, and out on the left. And then starting back in the middle again, we're just going to curve this up, over, and down, replicating that. Let's come underneath for the nostrils. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around, in and through towards that corner. And then we'll flip across on the right-hand side, replicating that. Let's draw on the eyes up above. So from the center, coming across on the left, we're going to curve this line around, bringing that down. And then we're going to flip across on the right-hand side and replicate that. Let's draw on the pupils on our eye now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then back on the inside. And then we're going to flip across, doing the same thing on the right. Now on the top, let's draw in a nice big oval for that highlight. And then again, stepping over on the right-hand side, replicating that. And then now from here, we're just going to color in our pupils black. Let's come up, closing off the top of the head. So right in the middle, we're going to arch this line around and down. Let's start on the side. From that corner, curving this line out. Again here from that point, just bringing that line around and then back in. Let's extend this further out now. We're going to curve this over. And then again from that point, just bringing that back in towards the middle. Let's round out the cheek, starting back on this line, bringing this over and through towards the center. Now from here on the left-hand side, let's curve this line down for the bottom of the mouth. We're going to replicate that on the right, ending that at the same height. And then now let's just close that off with a curved line, connecting that together. Let's close off the mouth. We're going to draw in a corner bracket on the left and right-hand side. From the left here, we're going to bring this line around and in towards the middle. We're going to flip across on the right-hand side, replicating that, joining that in the center. On the top here, we're going to follow this pattern. So we're going to curve this in, up, and through towards the center. And then again, starting back on this line, we're just going to replicate that, bringing that over and through on the side. Let's close off the mouth. On both sides, curving this down towards the bottom. Again, ending that at the same height. And then we're just going to close that off with a curved line from left to right. Let's draw on the one fang on the left-hand side. So we're going to curve this line in towards the middle. And then from that point, we're just going to arch this back through and up towards the top. Now in the middle here for the tongue, we're going to curve this line over towards the right. And then on the left-hand side, starting back in the middle, we're just going to curve this around and down towards that corner. Let's come down for the body. So right in the center here, we're going to curve this line over and through towards the left. We're going to step across underneath the neck on the side, replicating that, curving that out. Let's close this off on the bottom. Stepping over, we're going to curve this across and we're going to connect this to these lines. And then we're just going to continue to extend this out and up on the right. Let's draw in some detailed lines here. So we're going to draw in a curved line right on the top. Let's drop down, leaving a small gap, replicating that. And then we're going to do that one more time. Let's close out the rest of the body. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around, down and in. Let's start back on this line, blending that in. We're going to curve this around, down, and then back in. Let's draw on the underbelly here. So on the left-hand side, we're just going to follow this by curving this all the way over and through on the side. Now we're going to add some detailed lines. So we're just going to curve these down on a slight diagonal, leaving an even amount of space as we move across. Let's move over on the left-hand side, wrapping this further around, curving this over and through on the side. And then again underneath for the underbelly, just curving this over and then back through towards that corner. And then again, just drawing in some curved lines, coming down the snake's body. Again, just leaving an even amount of space. Let's come over on the right-hand side now. So from the corner here, we're going to curve this line out, around, in, and then over. And then from that point, closing off the tail, we're just going to curve this back around and through towards the top. Now underneath, we're going to curve this line down, up, following the shape of the body. And then again, we're just going to draw in two curved lines as we come across. And that is it. That's how you draw Gary the snake from Zootopia. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.